Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to make this quick video. Hopefully I'm gonna make it quick enough. So I had a friend that recently changed his battery or whatever work you're doing on the vehicle. Say like you change the alternator or whatever. Once you remove that battery and then you reinstall the battery or get a new battery, reinstall that battery, and you notice that your vehicle is basically given a rough idle, especially when you're driving and you go to a stop or go to a stoplight or a stop, you got your foot on your brake and it feel like the vehicle wanna stall, shut off, shut down. If you have that problem, I notice a lot of Toyotas have that problem. A lot of Toyotas, Lexus, they have different vehicles, I can't recall right now, that have that issue. Basically you just need to let the vehicle relearn that procedure. Basically when you disconnect the battery, it basically resets the whole vehicle. But to do that, let me start my vehicle up. To do that, make sure your vehicle warm up to the optimal temperature. As you can see, mine's is cold. Usually when it gets in the middle, that's the right temperature. So make sure you warm up your vehicle to the right temperature. And I'm gonna show you guys how to let the vehicle relearn, so the idle right here don't fall below 0, because when it go below this line, basically it stall out or it shut off, whatever, and you get that rough idle, like you feel like the vehicle just want to fail, like the engine just want to shut off. First thing you do, as I said in the beginning, make sure your vehicle warm up to the right temperature in the middle. Make sure it warms up in the right temperature. And once you warm it up, you could drive it around in your complex or up and down the street a couple times. Once it warm up to the right temperature, this is basically the procedure you're gonna need to do. So this is a 2008 Toyota Avalon, and as I said, it's going to be the same with the Toyota Camrys, the Corolla, certain Lexuses as well. I know for the Avalon, I think it's like 2005 to the 12. I don't know about the newer one, but maybe if you have the newer one and you're having that problem, that issue, it's a simple steps. It's a simple procedure. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn it to the on position. Don't start it. Go to the on position, just like so. Then you basically gonna turn it off. Then you're gonna do it again to the on position. Don't start the vehicle, so you do it twice. Turn it to the on position, just like so. Then you're gonna turn it off. Now you're gonna start the vehicle. Since this is the push to start, I gotta put my foot on the brake, of course, and start the vehicle up. Then you're gonna put the vehicle in drive. So my foot is on the brake, put the vehicle in drive. As you can see, it's in drive. If you have the key, do the same thing. Put the vehicle in drive and make sure you press down. For mine, I have my e-brake is right there that said push down, so push that down. As you can see, the e-brake, the brake light up there, so the car won't move, and let it sit like this for like about 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, the vehicle is basically relearning that it's supposed to stay. If it's low, it's gonna gradually go back up to the right idle. So you won't get that rough idle no more. It's not gonna stall out no more. So this is the procedure you have to do. If you don't do it, you're gonna always, no matter if the battery new or what, you're not gonna have that low, that bad idle no more. So that's the procedure. I hope this helped you guys. We out here, everybody have problems, even though some people just look like they're having the best life and doing everything, look joyful and everything, but hey, everybody going through things. I hope this helped you guys. If you're going through this, you go to a shop, they change your battery, and since you change the battery, you start getting a rough idle, feel like your car want to stall out, your car want to shut off, this is a procedure. This happens mostly on a lot of Toyotas during my year, you know, 05 to 12, and also a lot of Toyota Camrys as well. I don't know what the year started from, but Corollas, you know, certain Lexuses as well. So you just make the vehicle run for like 5 minutes doing this procedure, and make sure if you put it in drive and you don't have that brake on, the vehicle is gonna move. So don't forget about that. But this should able to fix that rough idle. You know, after the 5 or 7 minutes, you shut it off, you start it up, and you drive around and see how it feels, and you should feel the difference. You're not gonna have that rough idle no more. The vehicle not gonna feel like you want to shut off no more. So hopefully this helps you guys. I hope you guys enjoy y'all day, and I'll be trying my best to make more videos to help you guys out. As you can see, my idle is above the line. That's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be above this line right there. If it dropped too low, it'll shut off the engine. It'll just shut off like you're not getting enough power. So this will fix that issue. Hopefully it fixed the issue, but mostly it fixed a lot of people's issue. So yeah, but once again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and the support. Peace out. Bye bye. Take care. God bless. Until I make another helpful video, you know. Peace. For real.